Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to connect to Wi-Fi network on the REDMI Pad 2 Pro. Let's begin! So, first of all, you want to expand the control center from the top to the bottom on the upper left corner. Then press and hold onto the Wi-Fi icon and go into More Settings. In here, you can see every single network in your close proximity, and all you want to do is you want to choose your own one. For me, it's this one. And now you want to enter its password. Alternatively, you could go and scan the QR code from, for example, your coworker or family member or roommate or whoever who is already connected to that network. But I'm going to go with typical way of just importing and inputting my own password here. And if the password is correct, we can click connect and we should be able to just connect to a network. And remember the part when I was talking about coworkers and all of that, you can click the tab to share passwords, and now you will share the passwords with the QR code that somebody else can scan, which is very cool option. And that's literally it. Now you can freely use the internet as you please. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.